Hello, I'm Jason from the Deeper Network, and in this video I will tell you everything there is to know about the Parental Control Tab.
First, log into your device. Once you've logged in, on the left, click on Parental Control. The Parental Control tab is very simple. You can block adult content and block social media content. For adult content, you can choose between block, unblock, or block for 2, 4, or 8 hours. For social media content, you can do the exact same thing. Block, unblock, or block for 2, 4, or 8 hours. The other feature to pay attention to is the click here button, which will bring you directly to the blacklist and whitelist. For blacklist, we have a video that is linked in the description to help you download and install a very comprehensive blacklist. If you have domains that are being blocked due to ad filtering, add those domains to the whitelist for access on your network. And that's the Parental Control tab. It is very powerful and very simple.
We hope you found these videos helpful and informative. Continue watching the playlists to learn everything there is to know about your Deeper Connect and the Deeper Network.
Deeper Network, of the users, by the users, for the users.